Whatever it is that you want to do, there's going to be risk in your life, and risk is a necessary component of progress.
In a world that's changing so quickly, the biggest risk you can take is not taking any risk.
I don't really like risk for risk's sake or anything. If you want to try to come up with an innovative breakthrough, that's going to be how it is.
Over time, the biggest risk that you can take is to not take any risk.
I think it's generally human nature to overestimate risk and underestimate opportunity.
That's what separates sometimes the people that do things from the people that just dream about them. You gotta act, and you've got to be willing to fail. You've got to be willing to crash and burn. You know, with people on the phone, with starting a company, with whatever. If you're afraid of failing, you won't get very far.